Hello ma'am, so you have ordered a package on your website. So first of all, for checking a order we need to access the admin panel. So this is our admin area, and you can see the new order here, $4. So WooCommerce, you can see here our WooCommerce extension here, and here is the order. One order has been here, so click, and you can see the name and the date and status. So first of all we need to check the order details, and here is the eye icon. Click, and you can see billing details, your name, first your name Angela Jones, then your company name, then your location, and this is your email. This is not my email, this is your email. So I need to check my email, just going the Gmail option, and it's not mine, this is the pre-mail. I need to go my own email, Upwork, and you can see the email, spam. So you need to check the spam folder, and here you can see how to resume your website email. So first of all you can see here your company name, I mean website name, then order, then your name, hi Angela, thank you for your purchase, you are processing your order. This email has come because you are used my email. You can see the email, you give the wrong email, you need to include the correct email. That's why this email is coming, this my address. Okay, and then you can see here the test package, the package price, package name, then quantity, to quantity, because I have sent you the link test package, and hold on, you can see here the only 2 USD, but I'm removing this item because I think you are working on this website. So let's get started, and now you can see this is the automatic my name, because I have login this website as a admin. So close and go back on our email. Then the payment method, the pay with Square, that means the complete payment gateway has been successful working. Then the subtotal $4, then billing address, here you can see here. So right now I want to say you, please include the correct email on your form, order from.